Miller, the town of Miller, as y'all know, and we made a stop at the little theme park or whatever. But anyway, we're at our next free campground she found. Well, it's not really a campground, it's a city park free camping like spots. This place, we're in Britton, B-R-I-T-T-O-N, Britton, South Dakota. This place has 4 free parking spots. But the best part is, this is us. We got the first one, which we got all this privacy bush. We're right in the middle of town in a park. But we got all this privacy on one side. But the best part about this free parking spot is it has 30 amp free electricity or 110, but it also has free dump and water right at your campsite. That's pretty cool. You can't beat that for free. And we got the kids next door doing knocking on the window. I heard you knocking on the window. Yeah, she was being silly knocking on the window. We got football practice. Check it out. Got the kids doing football. The local high school here playing football, or they're practicing. They're not playing. But that's pretty cool. Yeah. We're back in here. Of course, we got neighbors over here, so I'm trying to give them a little privacy, but there's a spot right here, us, one right there, them, then one more. They're also on a J flight, just like ours. Well, theirs has a slide, but I'm trying to keep them off the camera, just, you know, out of respect, give them privacy for their spot there. But the town, we haven't explored the town yet. We just got here, but it seems to be, you know, another small farming community, small town. We're right by the church. We did walk up through the residential area neighborhood, because when you when you get here and you set up, you've got to go to City Hall and check in with City Hall, which, well, I was going to try to tell you how to get there, but there'll be directions on the I guess your apps. They may be on apps. I don't know. We found it on Google, so I don't know. But the thing is, I've done got myself all confused. From where you're camped at, right here, you just take that city street up probably, I think it's about 3 blocks, 4 blocks, and the City Hall is right there on the right. You can't miss it. It's close by. Anyway, I'm gonna pause this until tomorrow. We're gonna get out and ride bikes and check the town out and everything. Anyway, we'll be back. So the first 2 days are free, then it's $15 a night afterwards. And like I said, you gotta check out the City Hall. Oh, there's the address for the City Hall. Limit 10-day maximum stay. 2 free. You get to do here. You get to come here 2 times a year.
Twice a year.
I did not know that. I'm glad I read that sign.
Yep.
So I would pick the two best times of the year you think it'd be better for you to come here, because you can only do it twice a year. I did not know that till just now. This also has 2 tennis courts. Oh, I should have let y'all hear the church bells. They just stopped. Nope. Can you hear the church bells right now? You hear them? Anyway, they play hour on hour, and I like it. It might bother some people, but I like it. But we're just camped right over there. Let me see if my supersonic zoom here. That's us right there. Then you got the 2 tennis courts, which is that fenced-in area. If you walk this way, you have picnic pavilion. Has a swimming pool, but it's empty because of the COVID thing. You know, it's silly old COVID. It has 2 bathrooms, man and woman, and a little kids park. That's probably it for this little section, but if you got kids, it does have a playground for the kids. The what? Picture of the Strand. Britton Centennial. So this town was established in 1884. So we got out for our little bike ride. That truck's super loud, I'm sorry. So we just got here yesterday afternoon, so now we're out exploring the town. Here's a early Britton street lights. So I don't know how long ago they're calling early, but it's one of the street lights. That's pretty neat. I'm assuming this bell is probably from, oh, it might say right there. No, it's from the 1919 school bell. Pretty neat. Unfortunately, the museum is closed, it looked like. We're gonna go check out this old building. This is, I'm assuming it's the courthouse. I think it is. So this little town in Britton. Oh, I've got you mounted to the bike again, so I gotta lift you up a little bit. There you go. But yeah, pretty neat looking structure. It looks pretty old. Got a pigeon sitting in the window. Anywho, another courthouse. It says Marshall County Prayer Rock Museum. Yeah, the museum is closed. This is a mural. I can't get out on the road and show it all to you, so. But just see the basics. Still pretty neat though. We somehow unexpectedly made it to the Continental Divide between Hudson Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. And everybody's staring at me because I look like a tourist. Okay. Headed down to the lake. Well, you probably can't see it. It's like way down in this road. I'll show you when we get there. We've ridden from town way up there. Right there's town. See, it says welcome. Hold it still. Holy moly. Can't do it. We rode down here to, I'm gonna call it a lake. It's pretty shallow.
The grasslands.
What's your educated Harvard perception on this town of Britton?
I like this town of Britton. It's tiny. It's 2,000, but they have the surrounding towns must come here for school. So we got to see some of the kids playing football yesterday. There's scrimmage. Everyone waves. Everyone's friendly. They have a Dollar General.
We can get some cash. We're in the old courthouse of Britton, town of Britton, South Dakota. I don't think we're at the very top of that. Oh, horses. I didn't see them this morning. Pretty much explored this whole town. Of course, you know it's small though. Oh, here comes the wind. Let's go back this way. Okay. But anyway, it's another small farming community, nice people. Your basic little mom and pop grocery stores and gas station. Everybody knows everybody, and
Small town America.
small town. But we did see some horses. We've been down the street twice, I think. But anyway, I didn't see them horses this morning. I see them now. Or I said horses. Horse. Well, considering I can't hold it still, we'll pull it back out. Yeah, just a slow, sleepy town. So in the morning, we're probably going to pack up and move on to a large, awake town.
As long as this storm doesn't get us, we got more weather coming our way. I can't believe it, but tonight we've got some gusties.
Some gusties.
Making their way. Just a gusty winds.
Rusty! Ooh. He's been coming out of his shell here lately, showing a little more attitude. I got his eyeballs on. But he's been having fun. He got a bath this morning. He wasn't too happy this morning, but he's happy now. See? Bye!